So hello everyone. I'll be giving series of lectures on observational cosmology. Before going to the cosmology part, I'll be first teaching you some basics of Python, and this is for absolute beginners who have some knowledge of cosmology, lambda CDM model, and then want to do some research on observational cosmology, like fitting some kind of data to the model and estimating the parameters of the model. So what I will actually do is first I'll teach you Python, basics of Python. So I'll be teaching in the first lecture, I will teach you how to write comment and print in the Python, and then how to use some kind of libraries, might be SciPy, NumPy, but for plotting, we actually use Matplotlib. And after that, in the second lecture, I will tell you how to deal with the file. So if you have some kind of data sets available in the internet, so how will you actually extract the data? And then after that, I will teach you how to fit and what is the meaning of chi-square in context of this data analysis. And then I'll give you a full lecture on MCMC. It's not that I'll just show you this is a code and this will run MCMC. I'll actually tell you what is happening in the MCMC, how it actually works. So in the next part, I have divided these into two parts because the first part is for everyone who want to go to observational field, like in astrophysics or in cosmology. So they should at least know how to fit some kind of models and meaning of chi-square or how this MCMC Monte Carlo Markov chain works. So in the second part, I will introduce you to the standard model of cosmology, that is actually lambda CDM model. Lambda stands for dark energy, and CDM stands for cold dark matter. And then we will move to Hubble data, how to extract Hubble data and how to fit with the Hubble data, any model. And then we will learn how to deal with supernova data sets. Then I will teach you about how to extract data from DG DR2. Actually, new data sets have arrived, and which you should know how to fit these DG DR2 data sets with your model. So, and the at the end, I will just combine all these data sets and tell you how to fit with the lambda CDM. If I have time, so we can still go to omega CDM model. This is like parameterization, and then you can go to this phi CDM, in which phi stands for scalar field model. So in which CDM is a cold dark matter is fixed, but energy part is not fixed and it can be scalar field. So this lecture series are for absolute beginners. Let me remind you that this lecture series will be for absolute beginners. That's why I'm showing that in the first lecture we'll learn basics of Python. I will not tell you how to install Python. I think you can find a lot of videos are already available in the internet. And then what I will actually do is I will be using VS Code. Some people actually use this Google Colab and other stuff. So, but I will actually be using VS Code. I want to run my code in local machine and I don't need any internet. So if you are a student who want to go to the field of cosmology, or you are already in the field of cosmology and you want to know how to fit these data sets, and if you are interested in fitting data sets with modified gravities, these are the basic steps you need to first follow, and then after that you can do a lot of stuff with this thing. But you should have at least basic understanding of this data analysis part. Thank you.